Hey, welcome back. Today we talk about how 2025 was the year fashion had all the legal dramas of the world. 2025 wasn't just about fashion weeks and trends. It was the year fashion entered the courtroom. In a landmark case, Chanel won over $4 million against luxury reseller. What goes around comes around. The court said resale can't look like an official brand partnership. Big warning to the resale company. India made headlines when the designer Rahul Mishra cracked down on online counterfeits. The Delhi High Court didn't just block fake websites, it stopped mirror sites before they even appeared. That's next level IP protection. Then came the sneaker drama. Adidas accused Steve Madden of copying its iconic stripe identity. But this time, Steve Madden fought back, challenging how far a brand can own a design pattern. Athleisure entered the courtroom when Lululemon sued Costco over dupes. The issue? Not copying, but consumer confusion. Dupes are cheap, but lawsuits aren't. Legendary designer Bob McKee sued JCPenney for using his name and signature without consent. The case reinforced a big rule: your name is intellectual property. In India, a PIL over Kolhapuri chappal inspired designs changed how cultural fashion cases work. The Bombay High Court ruled that only GI rights holder, not public litigants, can sue. This PIL was related to Prada launching the Kolhapuri chappals. Heritage matters, but law decides who can protect it. The court said it's not a public interest litigation matter. The people who own the GI can only sue. And finally, Hermes secured legal recognition of the Birkin bag as a well known trademark, meaning even lookalikes cannot trigger legal trouble. Icon status legally confirmed. So, yes, 2025 proved one thing: in fashion, design isn't enough anymore. Law is the real luxury. Don't forget to follow Noted by Rhythm for more such facts.